2012 Nissan 370Z. It's a V6, about 330 horsepower, getting a muffler delete today. Let's see what we got. This Z came, I think it came from up north. Look at everything underneath. It has paper tags on it, just to say it is a 2012. Same body style, I think up to 2021. Anyway, we have the stock resonators right here, running all the way back. If you want to make it louder, obviously you could kind of chop this off and straight pipe it. Running all the way back. We took off the muffler that was right here, and we're running some pipes. He chose to use the stock tips. DJ just fabricated. DJ. So man, DJ, one of the best fabricators in all of Florida.
Yeah, the biggest and the baddest.
He thinks he can do more push-ups than everyone. We're gonna see about that.
Who thinks they can out push-up me?
V6, 330 horsepower. We're gonna bring it down and see how she sounds. If you want to get a little bit more noise, you can probably, again, take off those resonators. At one point, I did have my Z straight piped. It wasn't... It was a little obnoxious. My HOA told me, you know, you gotta get out of it, take it off, or The customer did decide to leave on the stock tips, so we just chopped them off of the old muffler. Where's the old muffler at? Right away, let's check it out. This is the older muffler, you see? He chopped them off here and here and used the stock tips. Maybe we'll come back and get some new tips. Let me show you what kind of tips that you could throw on something like this. This is a carbon fiber 4-inch tip right here. This one's pretty badass. The G exhaust one at gexhaust.com. Personally, I like this one right here. This forged carbon. Take a look at that, you see? This one goes hard too. Or if you just want to keep it stock, you keep those stock ones on. All right, let's bring it down and fire her up. This guy thinks he has a better Z than me. It's not happening. Did you see my Z?
Okay, check it out. It's Santana again. Stepping out. One of them brain.
Hit that thumbs up button, please. Even though if you're not subscribed, just hit the thumbs up button. It helps the algorithm. All right, we're all done with this. Let's see how she sounds.